Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to refund Xbox Game Pass subscription. So now let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is open up our web browser and search for Xbox. Click their website and sign in your account. After you've signed in your account, you will be in the home page. Now, here we need to click on Support in the menu bar, drag it down, and choose Support Home. In here, we need to click on subscriptions and billing. So here under the manage subscription options, click on Xbox subscription cancellations and refunds. When we pick this option, they're gonna tell us the requirements we need to meet in order to fully or partially refund our Xbox subscription. After that, here in the subscriptions section, you will see it and click on your subscription. After that, click on cancel subscription. And that's how to refund Xbox Game Pass subscription. That's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.